I will show you how to download and install Grammarly on your Android mobile. So find out Play Store and search Grammarly. So you will see this grammar check by AI and its latest version. So just install it. Click on install. So this is the AI version of Grammarly. Now wait till this process to download and install will be complete. Now open it. Now here click on continue. Say goodbye to any error and spelling mistake. Continue. And here click on continue with limited version. You can upgrade by clicking here. You can check grammar, paraphrase, dictionary, and you will see these all options. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.